Hey there, welcome back to That's a Magic TV. It's me, Alicia here, and today I'm going to do a little mask using oatmeal, honey, and then turned upside down. That's that magic, brown sugar, and a little bit of lemon essential oil. So basically, you know, I do mask and I use That's That Magic on my face. But like I've been having some weird skin issues, and I think it's with the weather changing, and so I have been incorporating more masks into my routine and using more That's That Magic with my routine. So like I said, it's gonna be oatmeal, and this oatmeal I ground it like super fine. I emulsified it with my NutriBullet, and so you're gonna take I got a little plastic spoon, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. So I got my little oatmeal. I'm going to put it in my little cup. And here's my little cup. My little bowl, rather. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So you can see the brown sugar here. And put it in there. And then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of That's That Magic. And of course, you use That's That Magic to help hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, nourish it. So I'm going to take it. You can see I'm going to pour some onto my spoon here. Pour it into my mixture. I'll show you my mixture so far. So it has the That's That Magic, the emulsified oatmeal, and brown sugar. And I'm going to take my honey and 1 tablespoon of honey, and then I'm going to put this recipe in the comments. I'm going to add it in the comments, and it's also going to be in the That's That Magic website. And so the honey has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and then we're going to add some lemon essential oil. Normally I would use lemon, like fresh squeezed lemon, but I feel like I'm going to have a little left over, and so I would just want to store it. And I think with the lemon, I need to refrigerate it. And this mixture right here, I'm going to put it in like a container and seal it and store it. So I have 2 masks. So I'm going to add 2 drops of lemon essential oil to help brighten any dark spots and brighten the skin. So this is a mixture. I'm going to stir it up, make me a little mask, and then I'll be back in a couple seconds so you can see the mask. So, you know, the oatmeal and the brown sugar helps to exfoliate and remove any dead skin from off the face. So I will be back. Stand by. Okay, I'm back. So I'm back, and here is my mixture again. I'm going to stir it up again. And so you're going to want to apply this to clean skin. Like I have said in my other videos, I do wash my face before I exfoliate. So, okay, so clean face. It's still a little damp, so we're going to take our mixture here. We're going to put a little bit on our hands. Going to rub it in like this, and just gently exfoliate our skin. So it has, like I said, oatmeal, which helps to soothe skin, and also also helps to gently exfoliate. Brown sugar helps to gently exfoliate and remove any dead skin. You're gonna want to pay attention to the nose area, like I've said in my other videos, because I've been getting older. I sort of like my nose is getting more congested, so I have to exfoliate in the nose area more. Has the That's That Magic for hydration and nourishment, the honey for anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and then the lemon to help brighten the skin and remove dark spots. So we're going to apply this to our face. And you know, I'm not a dermatologist. I just do what works best for my skin. So you have to find the You have to find the skin routine that works best for you. And you know, it's always going to change. Your skin routine's always going to change with the seasons and with your hormones and things like that. So we're going to apply this and we're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to come back and rinse it off. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm back. I let the mask sit on for 15 minutes and now I'm going to rinse it off with warm water. And again, so this mask had oatmeal, which helps to soothe skin and gently exfoliate. Has brown sugar, which helps to exfoliate skin and remove dry skin, giving your skin a wonderful glow. It also has That's That Magic, of course, which helps to hydrate skin, nourish skin, and also give your skin a glow. Has lemon essential oil to help remove dark spots and to help brighten the skin, and then honey, which helps to helps with acne, helps has anti-inflammatory properties and bacteria properties. So again, which helps to get rid of acne. So skin has been, I still got a little bit of the mask left, but it's all rinsed off. Skin's looking good there. I'm going to add some toner and then a little bit of That's That Magic to moisturize. And I do recommend doing this mask at night versus like in the morning or during the day, just because sometimes lemon can make your skin sensitive to, you know, the sunlight. So I would recommend doing this mask at night before you go to bed and not in the morning. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you find this tutorial and this mask helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get the latest and greatest at That's That Magic, and you know, new tutorials. I'm dropping new tutorials all the time. Don't forget to get your That's That Magic at thatsthatmagic.com or on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Love ya. Bye.